Rene, I want to share something.
Yeah,
This is what I cooked last
Wow.
year, Christmas.
great. I have an idea
What
for
is
you.
it?
What about cook the French-style turkey?
Turkey.
Yeah.
So if someone can help me,
Ah.
it would be great.
I can help you.
Really?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Wow, this turkey is so big.
That's big? No, it's very small. Actually, it's better to have a small turkey. They're much more tender, more juicy. So what we're gonna do first is to prepare the stuffing with the blender, and then we're gonna season and stuff the turkey.
So we put everything inside.
Yeah. Make a surgery now.
Surgery.
Yeah. To close it with the needle. With the shallots, will be on side. Cook with the juice of the turkey. Well done.
Well done. Yeah. So how about the sauce?
The sauce need to reuse them. After that, simple, add the foie gras inside and use the hand blender, and the sauce will be ready.
So crispy.
Wow. Very crispy. You know, to recognize a good turkey, good quality is when not juice so much coming out.
Yeah.
See, not so much coming out, huh? The one.
Yes.
That means the juice is inside.
So we are done. with the
Excellent.
turkey. I know what to cook for Christmas now.
Now you know.